Of course, I am a restoration shop, and I should be in the paint booth painting or doing body work, but the last month has been full of this kind of stuff right here. I mean, between radiators and brake master cylinders and brake jobs and oil leaks and fuel pumps, and that's been my whole month. But here, this is the steering link. This part right here goes to the steering wheel, and then this mounts on the center frame up front, and then the tie rods go either way, left and right. And what it does is it wears out this pivot right here. And here's the new parts. What I did was, his was so worn out I didn't even try to rebuild his, because I figured that the housings for the bushings were worn out too, so it's not going to hold a bushing. So what I did was went to eBay and found this one, which is actually a usable one, just the way it is. But we also got this kit to put a new pin in it. And what you do is you put this pin in, and then you use this to fix it to the shaft. And then these bushings go in the upper and the lower, and they bush on this pin. And then here's the seals for it and the caps for the top of that. Looks like the right stuff, but yes, this is what I'm doing today. This is off of a 1953 Chevrolet.